Welcome to an exclusive journey behind the iconic facade of one of the world's most famous buildings, the White House. The White House is more than just the president's residence. It's a living museum steeped in history and, perhaps, mystery. As a global symbol of American democracy and power, the White House has witnessed countless public moments. But what about the ones kept hidden? We're diving deep to uncover the undisclosed architecture, strange historical events, and unseen artifacts that contribute to the White House's enduring mystique. First, let's explore the hidden layers of the house, the spaces designed for function and secrecy, far from public view. Most visitors never see the lower levels, which house everything from storage to utility rooms, providing a vital, unseen infrastructure for the mansion. The Presidential Emergency Operations Center, or PEOC, is an underground bunker designed to shelter the president and staff during emergencies, a true command center beneath the East Wing. Whispers of secret tunnels connecting the White House to the Treasury Building and other nearby locations have persisted for years. Are they just myth or essential infrastructure? The White House archives are filled with intriguing stories, from bizarre events to lost items that tell a deeper, stranger history. From rumored ghost sightings, most famously of Abraham Lincoln, to eccentric presidential pets, the residence has hosted some truly peculiar moments over 2 centuries. During renovations, workers have occasionally discovered relics, from old letters to original construction notes, offering intimate glimpses into the lives of past residents. The personal quirks and working styles of presidents often necessitated changes, leading to custom features and alterations that remain long after they leave. Beyond the famous portraits and well-known artifacts, the White House houses an immense, rotating collection of art that few ever see. Many extraordinary pieces, including lesser-known sculptures and historical furnishings, are kept in storage or displayed in private residence areas, unseen by the public eye. The private quarters of the president's family, the kitchens, and various administrative offices remain strictly off-limits, concealing the daily domestic life of the first family. The White House continues to serve as the heart of the nation, constantly adapting while preserving its history. We've lifted the veil on secret bunkers, explored rumored tunnels, and touched upon the hidden treasures and strange histories contained within these walls. The White House will always hold secrets, ensuring that even as history is made publicly, a private, hidden narrative continues to unfold behind its grand facade.